To draw the cross-section of a flower, you're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. I'm going to begin by penciling a line down the middle, very, very gently, don't press too hard. And then roughly in the middle, I'm going to draw an ellipse like that. And then I'm going to draw a curve, and then another curve about like that. And that's just a very simple guide to help you get everything placed neatly. Now just above here, I'm going to draw the stigma, which is the bit that the pollen kind of lands on. And then this is the style, which comes down here to the ovary, which we can now sort of go around like that. And we can draw the ovule in there and then draw around it like that. So this actually becomes the seed. You could draw a pollen tube down there, but I'm not going to confuse things too much. And then we want kind of the receptacle, and we're just going to do a little curve there and a curve there. So this is going to then be the sepal. So those are kind of nice S shapes there. As I said, this is the receptacle, which then comes down to the stem. And now we're going to want to have our stamens. So I'm going to start by drawing one coming straight up there like that. These are the filaments. And then let's do another one coming out there. And then we can do one that comes in the middle, so that we get them nicely balanced. So we'll have one coming up. So we want to keep these lines very close together, so they're kind of nice thin filaments like that. And we'll have another one coming up there. And then we need to have the anthers on top. So these are the bits that actually create the pollen. And they'll be sitting on the top there, and they're kind of like two little grains of rice, really, aren't they, like that? Sitting up there, like that. And then we're going to need to draw the petals. So in the middle, between the first and the second one, I'm going to come up there like that. And when you get to that line, I'm going to curve it out and then just kind of wiggle it a bit around there, and then come back like that. So we'll do the same here. We're going to come up in between, and when we hit the line, then we're going to curve outwards, and then we'll kind of do these little wiggles, and then we'll come back, which then means that the other petal can then go up above it like that, and then back down there like that. Now, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. No one will ever know how you planned it out so neatly. You'll really impress those teachers. And then we need to name everything. So I'm going to put all the female parts of the flower on this side. So I'm going to start with a line coming out there, and I'm going to write stigma. And then we've got this part here, which is the style. And this part here is the ovary. And they together make up the pistil. Oh, I don't know why I put a lowercase t in there. I'll do another one there. Pistil. This here is the ovule or ovule. This is the sepal. This is the receptacle. And this is the stem. Now over on this side we have the male part of the flower. So this is the anther. And this is the filament. and together they make up the stamen. So if you want to add another little bit in here, you could have this as the peduncle. And that's kind of where eventually the fruit separates away from the stem. And all you need to do is put in here parts of a flower. And there you go, how to draw the parts of a flower real easy. Thanks for watching. Click down there, make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.